selected Rick Gomez for the Golden Beaver Award for Service, Supply, and Engineering. In recognition of nearly 5 decades of knowledge and experience he has brought to numerous heavy engineering projects. The companies that hire Rick are constantly amazed at his knowledge and ability to devise practical solutions for electrical, mechanical, hydraulic, and ventilation challenges. After graduating from high school, Rick was encouraged by the father of his girlfriend, now his wife, Renetta, to enter an apprenticeship program with the local electrical union. He earned journeyman status in only 2 years and began working for a shop in Farmington, New Mexico, before the union sent him to work at a power plant to give him more diversity in his training. I spent the summers at my grandfather's place, and that's where my affinity for fixing things comes from. On a ranch, you do everything yourself. Despite his youth, Rick was assigned to a startup group along with mechanical and electrical engineers, which gave him exposure to other disciplines that would later play a key role in his career. In 1979, Rick joined contractor Gardner Zemke as a supervisor working on several Bureau of Reclamation and Army Corps of Engineer projects, including the Nevada Test Site Nuclear Device Assembly Facility. While working at the test site, Rick was asked to troubleshoot a digger shield for an Obayashi-Dillingham JV flood control tunnel project in Phoenix. Despite not being familiar with tunneling machines, Rick quickly solved the problem, leading to a superintendent job offer which he accepted. During the next 3 years, Rick was involved with Harrison Western Corporation as a consultant for hard rock TBMs they had leased to Guy F. Atkinson Construction, as well as a TBM leased to a group of European contractors on water tunnels in Lesotho, Africa. After rebuilding the TBM's electrical system and coordinating the shipping, Rick made several long trips to Africa to get the TBM set up and operating efficiently. On the very first day of boring, the TBM progressed more than 8 times the daily advance of the drill and blast crews. Rick was retained by the JV contractors to facilitate and enhance the other 4 TBMs on the project, which achieved impressive production rates of more than 150 feet of advance per day. Rick's approach to solving problems has become legendary. Working for Obayashi on the remote Upper Diamond Fork Tunnel and Pipeline projects, a joint venture with W.W. Clyde, the closest source of power was 8 miles away through Forest Service land. Since the Forest Service would not allow building a pole line to bring in power, Rick arranged for helicopters to lay out 1,000-foot lengths of cable that he spliced together to create an 8-mile-long 15-kilovolt extension cord. Rick's skills are not just in tunneling. Following the windstorm-caused collapse of the luffing cranes used for the construction of the Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge, Rick was called in to design the control system for the new cranes, as well as a pumping system to bring water up 1,400 feet from the Colorado River. Since 1987, Rick has worked on 59 tunnel projects, with diameters ranging from 6 to 56 feet, 40 shafts up to 4,000 feet deep, nearly 169 miles of hard rock and soft ground tunnels, and 78 miles of conveyor systems. He has provided bid estimates for over 68 major heavy civil projects valued at over $10 billion. I like hearing contradictory points of view, but when people just flat out say, no, it can't be done, then it's no go for me. You have to have a positive attitude and ask, how do we work our way around? In addition to his consulting work, Rick is involved with his family business, Gomez International, a woman-owned small business enterprise which is run by his wife and long-term business partner, Renetta. The company manufactures, repairs, and sells electrical and mining equipment and associated products. Rick's son, James, VP of Operations, runs their equipment manufacture and rebuild operations in Phoenix. Rick and Renetta have been married for 46 years. In addition to James, they have 2 daughters, Vanessa and Michelle, and 3 grandchildren. Every day is different, and the challenges and the knowledge and the friendships are priceless. The Beavers honor Rick Gomez with the Golden Beaver Award for Service, Supply, and Engineering, in recognition of nearly 5 decades of knowledge and experience he has brought to numerous heavy engineering projects.